What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to change location on Amazon Flex. So, you might be wondering how to exactly change your location here on Amazon Flex. Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to first go to their official webpage here, which is going to be flex.amazon.com here, and it's going to discuss a few things. Now, typically in their webpage here, when you go to the FAQ section at the top right here, as you can see right now, it should give you different information about basically navigating or managing your account. But also in here, as you can see under account management, you have the option here that says, can I change my region? Well, the answer to that is you can actually make transfers to a new region here once every 7 days. Now, if your rewards tier status is at least level 2 or higher here. Now, how to exactly change your region? So you can just go ahead and open up the Amazon Flex app, go to personal information, then go to region, request region change, and then enter your preferred zip code here and just click on continue to make the actual change. But in some cases, if you can't do this yourself, the option may be disabled to you, or in this case, it's not working for you. Again, you need to make sure that you're in the proper level tier, rewards tier here. But if you're in that tier and it's not working for you, well, in this case, you could actually reach out to their support via the email address here. Like you go and use their email address here to contact them, requesting support on basically changing your location on the Amazon Flex or your Amazon Flex account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.